Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to switch between list and grid view in the media library on a popular content management platform. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your account and easily navigate to the media library while switching between different views to better manage your media files. This guide is concise while ensuring that even those new to the platform can follow along with ease. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the content management platform. Once the web page loads, focus on the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will take you to the account authentication stage, which is the gateway to managing your website content. This step is straightforward and designed to get you started quickly. After clicking on login, you will be presented with several options to sign in. Look for the option that reads Continue with Google. This option allows you to utilize your familiar Google account credentials, making it easier to access your account without the hassle of remembering another password. When you select Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. Simply pick the correct account from the list and proceed. Using your Google account not only simplifies the login process, but also ensures secure sign-in with Google's trusted authentication system. Once you have successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the media library. You can reach the media library by navigating to a specific section of your site administration area. The media library is where all your uploaded images, videos, and other media files are stored. This space is essential for keeping your media assets organized and easily accessible. In this guide, you will see how clear navigation and simple clicks can make the process efficient. Within the media library, your next task is to switch between the list view and the grid view. Located within this section, there is an intuitive control that allows you to choose your preferred view. When you click on this control, you can effortlessly switch between a list layout, which provides a streamlined view of all file details, and a grid layout, which highlights thumbnails of your files. This flexibility enables you to select the layout that best fits your needs when searching for a particular media file. Switching views can greatly enhance your workflow, especially when you need to review large libraries of images or videos at a glance. In summary, this tutorial has guided you through accessing your account via the login button on the top right corner of the site, authenticating with your Google account, navigating to the media library, and switching between list and grid views for a better organizational experience. With these simple steps, managing your media files become a more efficient and visually engaging process. Enjoy the neat and customizable interface that lets you effectively handle your multimedia resources on the platform.